Alright, example 3. They say you want to do 3 things. 1. Identify the b-value. 2. Determine if it's growth or decay. 3. Calculate the percent growth or decay. So identify the b, determine if it's growth or decay, calculate the percent growth or growth. Okay, so first things first. Identify the b. So for letter A, the b is 1/4. B equals 1/4. Or we can think of that as a decimal as 0.25. That's fine. Okay? Determine if it's growth or decay. Okay, remember growth is when b is greater than 1. Not x is greater than 1. B is greater than 1. Or decay is when it's between 0 and 1. Okay, it's decimal essentially. Well, this one is between 0 and 1, so this is decay. So the first one, done. First question, done. Oh, b value is 0.25. Alright, and it's decay. The last one, calculate the percent growth or decay. Okay, so remember from your vocab, this asks the questions, this is how far from 1, and then to turn it to a percentage, you multiply by 100. How far from 1, not 1 times 100, then 1, then you multiply by 100 to get it into a percentage. Okay? So here we're going to do how far from 1. So it's 1 minus 0.25. Then we're going to multiply that by 100. So 1 minus 0.25 is... Actually, I need to write that the other way, because it's going to give me a false answer. It's going to give me the wrong direction. So 0.25 minus 1, we're going to subtract 1, then multiply by 100. So 0.25 minus 1 is minus 0.75 times 100. Multiply that by 100, you get a negative 75. So we went down 75%. That's what 100 is. Okay, and so I should explain that from up here. So how far from 1? We need to take b. This means to take b and subtract 1. So overall, we're going to do b minus 1 to get the difference, and then we're going to multiply it by 100. Okay? So letter B. 3 times 2.4 to the x. So first of all, identify the b value. In this case, the b value equals 2.4. Since the b value is greater than 1, like over here, it's growth. Okay. And then to find growth or decay, I'm going to take my b value. That's 2.4. I'm going to subtract 1. That's how far away from 1 it is. And then I'm going to multiply it by 100. So 2.4 minus 1 is 1.4 times 100 is 140, so 140%. This is a 140% increase. Okay? Try the other ones on your own.